Hey guys, this is Vin from The Better Gentleman, and today we will be unboxing the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We're just going to jump straight into it and get this thing open. You are absolutely right, we don't need to use a blade to open it up. Like previous years, this little tab is the only thing holding the phone in. So everything slides right out, and look at that. Oh, that's just a beautiful color. To be honest, I'm still mad that this phone doesn't have a headphone jack, but this color, that's a really nice color. I'm just going to place it down here for now. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the rest of the box. Alright, so the first thing we have is just this little leaflet that has absolutely no information on it. I don't know what to do with. But it separates the phone from the rest of the components in the box. Here we have our 25-watt fast charger. It says super fast charger on there, but I thought that was only for the 45-watt charger. Next, we have our USB-C to USB-C cable, because this brick only takes USB-C, unlike previous years. And if you do need a longer one, you will have to go ahead and make sure it's a specific type. Alright, so whatever you get, it has to be rated enough for fast charging. And in here we have our little dongle that converts a regular USB to a USB Type-C. And you'll need that if you're transferring information over from another phone. And I guess if that phone wasn't a USB Type-C, you could go ahead and you could make something work with that. So if you're using a micro USB phone and then you're converting to a USB Type-C, that would help out if you use the older cable. And this is the little guy you use to pull out the S Pen tips. And in here we have the USB Type-C AKG buds, because this year they took out the headphone jack, which I'm still sad about. Supposedly these are a little bit better than before, but I'll go ahead and test that out, and I'll post about it if it's anything significant. Alright, so in here you have your AKG buds, and then at the bottom, all coiled up, you have your variable tips, and they're all various sizes. You can swap them out to make the earbud fit comfortably in your ear. Alright, and then finally you have your literature. It's on the top part of the box, like they've done since I believe the S8. You have your little pin to swap out your SIM card, and you can go ahead and read that if you want to, but I know nobody does anyways. Well, that's it, guys. Here's everything that's in the box. Alright guys, so I just wanted to wrap up a couple of thoughts here. I haven't done, this is not my full review, this was just the unboxing. I went ahead and I put on a case here. You definitely are going to need a case. I got a clear one because I want to show off that back. And the back is a fingerprint magnet. That's another reason why you need a case on it. The only other thing that I want to point out is that this screen protector on this phone is absolutely terrible. So, I mean, you can see I already got a very deep scratch in the plastic screen protector that they give. And, I mean, I really wouldn't even consider it a screen protector. It's almost as bad as the little plastic layovers that they have on the phones. I mean, these scratch super easily. So I am going to have to go ahead and get another one of that. So just keep that in mind whenever you get this, and whenever you're deciding on a case. This is a better one now. I was testing out a few of them, and the way I got the scratch was that the case I was trying did not have a big lip, right? So any case you try, you want to make sure it has a decent lip that'll prevent the phone or the screen of the phone from touching the surface of whatever you're placing it on. So keep that in mind. Overall, I'm liking the phone. Don't like the fact it doesn't have a headphone jack. If you would like to see the case reviews, I'm going to link them down below. And I'll see you guys next time.